Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lelesdesigns. Today, I will show you how to merge embroidery fonts with the free Embrilliance software. For this demo, I will be using my signature font I created. If you're interested in purchasing this font, you can find it in my Etsy shop under Lelesdesigns or my website at lelesdesigns.com. You can find the link down below in the description of this video. When you purchase a BX embroidery font, it will be in a zip file. Right-click on your mouse, extract all, and extract. I'm going to cancel mine as I already extracted it right here. I'll open my BX file. I will choose Select All and open Embrilliance. And I'll move this over so you can see what I'm doing. While these are all highlighted, I'll drag them. There's 18 little folders and drag them there. And as you can see, 18 files have been processed. Click OK. And let me close this out and expand this. To make sure all your BX loaded, click the capital A up here. Then go down to the Property Display and open up the pull-down menu. Scroll down to LD Sign Begin. You should see LD Sign Begin 0 through 5, LD Sign End 0 through 5, and LD Signature 0 through 5. If you do not have all of them listed, go back to the BX fonts and load the one that is missing. I will show you how to create the name with the tail in the beginning and the tail at the end and a heart. I'll go ahead and select all these and delete it. The first thing to do is click the capital A, which will be Create Letters. When you do that, it will open the property display box and you'll see the capital ABC. Highlight it and type the letter you want. I will be choosing B and enter. Click the pull down menu. Scroll down to LD Sign Begin. I'll choose the number 2. And as I add all the other letters, I'll keep with the same number. This way they're all the same size. Hit the A again. And this time I will type in ELL and click enter. And I want to change those fonts to the LD Signature 2. To line the fonts up closer together, go over here where it says space and slide it to the right. Another option, click the green box and then on your keyboard, left arrow, click it to move it over and then do the next one, move it over, and the same with the last L. Click outside of the boxes and I'll hit Create Letter, highlight the ABC and click A, enter. Now I want it to be a long tail, so I will be using the LD Sign End 2. That will give me the long tail. Now if I want to put a heart, click up here, choose A, highlight the ABC, and put in the number 1 and enter. The hearts can be found only in the LD Sign End. And it has all 5 sizes. So if I want to change it, I can, or I can make it really big. But they are only in the end. So we'll go with 2, and I can move it over here. And while I have it highlighted, this blue little dot, click it and you can turn it any which way you like. To save this, go up here, choose File, choose Save Stitch File As, choose your format. I will be choosing Jeff. And you can name it. And hit save. Here is where I saved the file. Now I can drag it to my jump drive and put it in my machine. See how simple and quick it is to merge letters with the Embrilliance software? Now I want to show you how it took less than a minute using one font to create the name Rachel with my Ciao Bella font. And that's it, easy peasy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Thank you. Bye-bye.